Hello everyone, I am Vidhi Patel. We will see functional dependency in this tutorial. Functional dependency. Functional dependency is the method to describe a relation between attributes. Let R be a relation schema having n attributes A1, A2, A3 up to An. Let attributes x and y are two subsets of attributes of relation R. If the value of the x component of a tuple uniquely determines the value of y component, then there is a functional dependency from x to y. This is denoted by x go to y. It is referred as y is functionally dependent on x or x functionally determines y. The left-hand side of the functional dependency is referred as determinant, whereas right-hand side of functional dependency is referred as dependent. It does not mean you can compute the value of y from the value of x. Using the value of x, you can search the value of y from the stored table. Let's take relation R having attribute x and y. Here value of x is 1, 2, 3 and 4. The value of y is a, b and c. Let's take possible cases to check functional dependencies. Case 1. X has both values 1 and y has both the values a. Case 2. X has value 1 and 2 whereas y has value both a. Case 3. X has value 1 and 2 and y has value a and b. Case 4. X has both value 1 and y has values a and b. Let's check functional dependencies for all the cases. In case 1, y has both value a. Now check whether it is same or not. But here we have same value for x attribute, so here y is same attribute, so it is valid case. Let's check case 2. In case 2, y has both the values a. Now check whether it is same or not. But here we have different values for x attribute which are 1 and 2. So here y is different for both values of attribute x. It is also a valid case. Now let's check case 3. In case 3, y has value a and b. Now check whether it is the same or not. Here we have different values for x attributes which are 1 and 2. So here y is different for both values of attribute x. It is also a valid case. Now let's check case 4. In case 4, y has value a and b. Now check whether it is the same or not. But here we have same value for x attribute which is not possible. So it is invalid case. We cannot say y is functionally dependent on x for this case. There are two types of functional dependency: trivial functional dependency and non-trivial functional dependency. First one is trivial functional dependency. In the dependency, right-hand side attribute is a subset of the left-hand side attribute. Then it is known as trivial dependency. So here, if y is a subset of x or equal to x, then this dependency is known as trivial dependency. I am explaining you by giving an example. I have a relation account holder having attributes customer ID, account number and access date. And functional dependencies, customer ID is functionally dependent on customer ID and account number. Here, customer ID is a subset of customer ID and account number. So, this dependency is known as trivial dependency. In trivial dependency, I never get 5 for intersection of the left-hand side and right-hand side attributes. I get common attribute for their intersection. Trivial dependencies are not much important from a database design point of view. Next one is a non-trivial dependency. In the dependency, right-hand side attribute is not a subset of left-hand side attribute. Then it is known as non-trivial dependency. So, here, if y is not a subset of x, then this dependency is known as non-trivial dependency. I am explaining you by giving an example. I have a relation account holder having attributes customer ID, account number and access date. And functional dependencies, access date is functionally dependent on customer ID and account number. Here access date is not a subset of customer ID and account number. So this dependency is known as non-trivial dependency. In non-trivial dependency, I always get 5 for intersection of the left hand side and right hand side attribute because there is no common attribute. Non-trivial dependencies are important from a database design point of view. There are some important questions available for this tutorial. What is functional dependency? Next question is, which attribute is known as determinant in functional dependency? Next question, which attribute is known as dependent in functional dependency? Next question, what is trivial dependency? And the last one is, what is non-trivial dependency? You can write your answers into the comment section. We have seen functional dependencies in this tutorial. If you have any doubt or query regarding this tutorial, then you can write it into the comment section. If you want to watch another tutorials of this series, then link is available in the description box. If you like the video, then press on the like button and share the video. Stay tuned with us for watching new videos of this series. Thank you for watching this video.